Hello Wolfpack, this is Kayla of K-Wolf Designs bringing you a tutorial on how to color change any logo in Photoshop. Okay, first we will open any image you want to alter the color to. I will be using my own original logo. Next we will select the layer you want to edit. Then go to the toolbar and click the selection tool. Once you have done that, select the option at the top labeled Select and Mask. On your left side toolbar, you should have an option that says Quick Selection. Click that. Now using the selection tool, select parts of the image that you want to appear in the selection. Or, if you have a high contrast image, you can just click the button that says Select Subject, which is what I'm going to do, which will extract the image from the background. Click OK. Double click the layer where you made the selection. Click Color Overlay. And choose any color that you would like to have appear on the logo. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. To view other content, come by my website.